You can also cut one of the log turners off, and then you can have just use one of them and not use both of them if you've got shorter logs. But down here again, you see the other clamp, you see the other taper, and the other squaring arm. When you have shorter logs, or when you saw a lot of 8-foot logs, we like to put another taper right in here. That is an option that you can go with. So you'd add one more of these right in here, and then you can saw shorter logs inside of this area right here. and it helps you with sawing those short things. You'll notice that if you put a squaring arm here, you could even saw a 3-foot piece in here and still clamp it. Of course, you'd turn it by hand. Sometimes you got walnut, cherry, or something like that that's worthwhile sawing a short piece. But anyway, you can handle all of that. I'm gonna I didn't have one of my pieces that I want to show you, but I'm gonna break away and I'll come back and I'll show you one more part of the sawing the big log section. I wanted to show you this little unique tool that we use. We drop it into a receiver right there. When you do have the logs, which we say 36 inches is a maximum log this is saw, when you bring things to the maximum, sometimes you have to do something a little bit extra to turn the log. And what happens is the log turner is set up so it will work with little logs all the way to big logs. And so we drop this in, we drop the squaring arms down out of the way. It allows the log to roll over to here, and it puts the center of the log back over here. Whereas when it's in a sawing position, the center of the log is over near the center of the bed. When we get the log turner on the outside edge, we can just roll it. And so this is an important part for sawing big logs. When you're 24, 26 inches and down, you don't have to use these. But when you're above that 26-inch mark in that last final 10 inches of those big logs, and in America we don't get that many logs that are over 36. I will say if you're sawing consistently a lot of 36-inch logs, then I'd say you need to graduate to our AC-52 mill that will carry and take care of up to a 52-inch log. I'm going to start the mill up here in just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way, and I'm going to start the mill up and just show you how these functions function.